In this video, I'll show you how to remove the background from a video using Adobe Premiere Pro step by step in a really easy way. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Alright, let's get started. Now, to remove the background, we'll need an effect called Color Key. So go to the effects panel on the right side of your screen. If you don't see it, no worries, I'll help you find it in a moment. In the effects search bar, type Color Key. You'll see it pop up under Video Effects, Keying. Click and drag it onto your video clip in the timeline. Next, go to the Effect Controls panel, usually at the top left. If you've applied the effect correctly, you'll see Color Key appear there. Use the eyedropper tool next to Key Color and click on the background color in your video preview that you want to remove. Then, click on the little wrench icon at the bottom of your preview screen and choose Transparency Grid. This will show you what parts of the background have been removed. Now, adjust these three settings. Color Tolerance to remove more or less of the background, Edge Thin to clean up the edges, and Edge Feather to make the edges smoother. Tweak them slowly until your background is completely gone, but your subject still looks sharp. Wait, can't find the effects or effect controls panels? No problem. Just go to the top menu bar, click on Window, and then make sure Effects and Effect Controls are both checked. This will make them show up on your screen. And that's it, guys. You've removed your video's background using just one simple effect in Premiere Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.